Good morning students. I, your Vaishali ma'am, welcome you once again in Alchemy Online Tutorials, Class 2, Subject Mathematics. In the last class we have done the revision. Now in the today's class also we are doing the last revision of chapter number 1 and 2, which is of greater than, smaller than or equals to. And once again I will recall the concept of place value and face value. So this should be a new concept and it should be very clear to all. So you can do it very well in your weekly test. So come, let's do this, both the exercise and revision in my notebook, and you have to check it out. Now this is the last part of your revision of chapter number 1 and 2, as after this session you are having your weekly test. So there are two topics which are remaining: put sign greater than, smaller than or equals to, and another one is place value or face value. That I have already explained, but I want this concept is to be very clear in your mind of place value and face value, as this concept is very new to you. Okay, so first we will solve the greater sign, smaller sign or equals to. Whichever number is greater, you will open your mouth at that side. The signs will open the mouth at that side. Okay, now 7 and 2. Which one is greater? 7, right? So I will put the sign on this side. Then 5 and 9. Which one is greater? 9. 6 and 6. Both the numbers are equal. So when the numbers are equal, you have to put the sign equals to. 3 and 2. So this side. 1 and 0. So don't confuse between 1 and 0. 0 is smaller to 1. Okay. Now 7 and 7. Both are equal. So I will put the sign of equals to. Right. 2-4. So which one is bigger number? 4. So I will put the sign on this side. Okay. Now these are the symbols of only one digit number, 1 to 9. Now further we are moving, which is of 2 digit number up to 100. In this, the numbers up to hundreds are given. You have to identify which one is greater than which, or which one is smaller than which. 46 and 48. Now for identifying if both the numbers are same at tens place. Okay, now we will go forward to ones place. Here it is 6, here it is 8. Which one is bigger? Yes, 48. So I will put the sign this side. 76 or 67. Don't confuse between that. See the number tens place, which one is bigger, 6 or 7? So obviously number 7 is greater than 6. Next, 85 and 58. Which one is bigger at tens place, 8 or 5? Yes, 8 one number is greater. So put the sign on 8, 85. 62 dash 62. Both side numbers are same. It is very easy for you. You will put the sign of equals to. Now next, 37 dash 98. At the tens place, 3 number is there and 9 number is there. Which one is greater? 9, tens place. Okay. 40 and 90. At the ones place, zeros are there, but at the tens place, 9 is there, 4 is there and 9 is there. So greatest one is 90. So you will put the sign at greater side, which is 90. 99 and 89. So here it is 9 at tens place, or here it is 8. So 99. 99 is greater than 89. Okay, this sign is known as smaller than, this sign is known as, this sign is known as greater than, this sign is known as smaller than, or this sign is known as equal to. And now I will write for you this sign known as greater, Greater, greater than. This one is smaller than, and this too you have already know, this is of equal. Greater than, smaller than, or equals to. 7 is greater than 2. 76 is greater than 67, right? In this way you can read it aloudly. Now moving forward to the place value and face value of the underlined digit, right? So the place value and the face value you have to recognize of the underlined digit. Place value means what? You have to identify the place. Like there we are learning writing 100, tens and ones. Okay. So this number is at hundreds place, tens place and ones place. Read it aloud and say 736. What I am pronouncing here? Saying here 30. So I will write the place value 30 and the face value which remains always same. So I will write here 3. Okay. Now next 541. What I am saying in the last, which is 1. So place value also 1 and the face value also 1. Now next 672 is the number and the underline is given on 600, right? So I will write here 600 and face value, the digit is same. Now next 941. So underlined digit is 4. 940. Read it aloud. 40. So place value is 40 and the face value is 4. Okay. Now next 332. So what I am saying is 300. So I will write first 300. Then the face value means the same number. You have to be careful while writing the place value. Face value is so very easy for you. You have to write just the same number. Now next 286. What I have read in the last? That is 6. Place value of tens ones place. Number remains same. And the face value also remains 6 and 6. Now next 589. So again 9 and 9. Place value also 9 and face value also 9. 917. So it is 900 and here you can write that is 9. The place which is of 100, so we have written 900 and here 9. You can see the full page of the place value and the face value. I hope now concept should be very clear in your mind and no mistake should be done by your side. So I hope you have understood the concept of this place value and face value and greater than, smaller than or equals to sign. So now you have to practice from all my revision videos, and if you are having any doubt from them, you can ask it in my Zoom class. Okay, so all the best for your weekly test. Thank you, students. Okay, bye. See ya.